To make a chocolate cake, first preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius and grease the bottoms and sides of 3 9-inch round pans with butter. Then add 3 cups or 390 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 cups or 600 grams of sugar, and 1.5 cups or 150 grams of cocoa powder to a large bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon or 21 grams of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons or 6 grams of baking powder, and add 1.5 teaspoons or 9 grams of salt. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Now pour in 4 eggs and 1.5 cups or 350 milliliters of buttermilk. Then pour in 1.5 cups or 350 milliliters of hot water and 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of vegetable oil. Mix everything together with a hand mixer until just combined. Don't overmix the batter, or else your cake may turn out tough or dense. Divide the batter evenly between the 3 greased pans and bake the cakes for 30 to 35 minutes. Let the cakes cool for 10 minutes, then remove them from the pans. Finally, when the cakes are completely cool, stack them with a layer of chocolate frosting between each cake and frost the sides and top of the stack.